Welcome to the Intermatic ET90000 wiring video. It doesn't take 4,000 wires to do 4,000 things at once. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to wire the ET90000. It's the way all wiring videos should be. Before you begin, make sure the power is off, and you will need to have a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver available. Let's get started by removing the dead front. Next, determine where the power, load, Ethernet, and override wires are going to enter the cabinet and punch out the appropriate knockouts. Then, install the conduit. After the conduit is installed, connect the ground wire to the grounding nut. Then, connect the power supply wires to the connector at the top of the cabinet. The ET90000 automatically adapts to any voltage between 120 and 277. Next, connect the load wiring for each circuit. Note that each circuit has one connector for common, normally open, and normally closed. Next, open the low voltage compartment door. First, connect the override wires to the terminal strips at the bottom of the door. Next, connect the Ethernet Cat5 cable. Now that the Ethernet and overrides are connected, we can close the low voltage compartment door and replace the screw. With the power, load, and ground wires securely in place, replace the dead front and secure with 2 screws. This concludes the wiring video. You are now one step closer to doing 4,000 things at once.